Here we have $475 of 1993 190E 2.6, and looks like a gray market car, imported back in the day. Check out this wood steering wheel, man. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? Pretty cool. A very non-sedate sedan. Yeah, those AMG wheels really make it stand out. So cool. Beautiful. Put these on an SL. I like that look too. Really, those AMG wheels on anything look great, but here especially. So a lot of these cars were imported gray market back in the day that you couldn't get here in the US, and this apparently is one of them. So let's see a little bit more about this window sticker. 20 in the city, 25 on the highway, and here's all the options. Anti-theft alarm for $570. So there you have it, 93, 190.
Now, when they...
Nice looking car, and there you have it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other car reviews. Just Google Drivin Ivan in your favorite car, and you will find them. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.